Hello everyone, this is Carlos, Touch of Class Painting and Handyman Service of Rhode Island, 401-696-1650. And here, me and John did a exterior painting, trims, soffit, rakes. Say hello to John. There you go, that's big boy John. And I'll show you some of the details in the house. All the gutters in the house were removed. That's the window under the deck was painted as well. Requested by the owner. Anything to make the customer happy. That's what we're all about. The gutters here on the very top were taken down and they will be replaced by someone else. Hey buddy. I want to thank you for watching my videos. I am also up on What's Up, YouTube, Yelp, Google, and of course Facebook, where you can watch all my videos and pictures. Today I still hold a 5-star rating with over 60 great reviews of all my work that I have done in the past. I want to thank you again for watching. Have a good day.